숲이었구나 빈니. 아 빈니 숲이었. 이안 단지라도 비약성어리. 단지가 사람한테는 짜증나. 내물 지면 상하다고. 아 빼고. 또 뭘 이만한 걸 얘기하고. 뭐 꿈에 빛난 거고. 약간 밀리네. 뭐지 왔던 게 지금. 맨날 말하는
Made of stones and wood. This is a Prabhupada residence. Prabhupadas are the community who are into rearing of yaks, especially the yak. Life depends on the yak rearing and milking of yak milk so that they can turn into churpis. It has marketable values. We came to experience this. You may feel like this is just made of stones and woods, but this is actually incredible. They live here, they have been here, and they love to live here. They don't come down actually. Now, if you go out from here, the view. Be it what may, or say it what may, the view outside is incredible. I think these are areas where they actually bind together the yaks. As I was told that they mostly bind the female yaks, those who are under milking process, they actually visit often because they are fed something, maybe salt or the vegetables. This seems to be yak manure, and we have a beautiful, wonderful view here. There's a yak, a herder, that is one of the Kora community. Now I was also told that there are actually throat fish, big suitable, big sizes and all, but I can't see them now. Like one of them went and did not see. Anyways, I came for this. I got to see this. This is an incredible experience. Many who will not be able to come and visit here out of their time, health issues. So this video will help them. And those who wants to come, feel like interested to come, this video will also help them. These are fair flags.